Wondering what to use fennel essential oil for? In this video, I'm going to share with you uses for fennel essential oil along with answering the common question, can you drink fennel essential oil? I'm Mandy Sommers, essential oil educator and enthusiast. You can hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Stick around to the end and I'm going to teach you how to grab my free essential oil usage guide with over 100 essential oils and their traditional uses. Before I jump into this video though, I would love to hear from you on how you like to use fennel essential oil. If you've got some favorite uses, go ahead and pop them in the comments below. Fennel essential oil is well known for its digestive benefits and has been used for centuries to promote healthy digestion. This sweet smelling oil offers other benefits as well, including metabolic, immune, circulatory, and respiratory support. So what is fennel essential oil? Native to the Mediterranean, fennel has been used for centuries. Roman warriors were said to have used fennel to strengthen their readiness for battle, and several Eastern and Middle Eastern cultures have long used it in their cuisines. The plant is a perennial herb and can grow to be nearly 8 feet high. It has small yellow flowers and a delicate, feathery, fragrant leaves, but the essential oil, potent and distinct, is extracted from the seeds. So what is fennel essential oil used for? Fennel essential oil is known for its ability to help digestion due to its chemical constituent anthiol, which offers digestive support. Taken internally, fennel assists the overall health of the digestive tract. Although it's most recognizable for its digestive benefits, fennel has powerful effects on the whole body. Experimental studies suggest that the chemical constituents alpha-pinene and anthrol in fennel essential oil may help maintain healthy immune response when taken internally. It supports healthy cellular function and overall cellular health when taken internally. It may also aid in metabolic, respiratory, and circulatory function. So what does fennel oil smell like? The aroma of fennel is sweet. The scent and taste are commonly compared to that of licorice. This natural sweetness can be useful when avoiding unhealthy sweets and sugars. Adding a drop or two to a glass of water or healthy juice can help curb cravings. Fennel essential oil is included in 2 of doTERRA's proprietary blends. It is contained in Clary Calm monthly blend for women, as well as digestive blend. So here are a few usage tips. After overindulging at dinner, take a couple of drops in a veggie capsule, water, or under the tongue for digestive support. You can also put a drop in water or tea to help fight that sweet tooth craving. You can consider adding a toothpick amount to your cooking for its strong, savory, anise flavor while simultaneously taking advantage of the various internal wellness benefits. And lastly, you can take this internally to help ease occasional bloating, stomach upset, or feelings of sluggishness. So let's talk about some of the fun facts about fennel. The town Marathon, Greece was named as such due to its abundance of fennel plants, which are called marathos in ancient Greece. Fennel works well with lime, clove, fennel, digestion, and cardamom. So those are some of my favorite things about fennel essential oil. But now it's freebie time. I promised at the beginning that I would share with you how to download my free essential oil usage guide with common uses and so much more. Click the link in the description below. Go ahead and pop your email into that box and it will show up in your inbox in no time. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Go ahead and check out some of my other videos about diffusing fennel essential oil and some essential oil education that you can find at the end of this video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.